Jessie Lauren Arazaro, Francis Dominic Santos P.
Hi, vlog.
University of the Philippines, at the Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, Assistant Professor Kathleen Cruzada. University of the Philippines, Diliman, Dean of College of Home Economics, Dr. Shirley Guevara.
Also from your parents, syempre, di ba? Okay, so at least po, alam po natin na masaya po kayo. Sabi nga nila, iba po yung happiness. Mag-joy with biyahe and to the exploration of playing this dynamic radio. To our new R&Ds or new nutritionist dietitians, so we'll be taking over later. The deans, the faculties of the different universities and colleges, and most especially our parents, your parents. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ilan ba sa atin po dito?
I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
I further solemnly swear that at all times and place I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the nutrition and dietetics profession in the Philippines, that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligation incumbent upon a duly registered nutritionist dietitian.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Hello! Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na si Ella. Hindi na namin alam kung ano nangyayari, guys. Ito siya. So, vlog takeover. Nagugutom na kami. Kaya lang namin ginagawa to kasi gutom na kami. Kaya makikisama kami. Tignan niyo siya. Sorry! Asa pagkain? Thank you, Abby. Stop. One more song. Alam mo, isa pang...
I think we have one more song.
Oh no!
Miss Abby Cruz.
Remember, nation building all begins and ends with you. Let's begin that today. Day one of Future Advocate for Community Empowerment, Nutrition Innovation, and Nation Building. She is the founder of FNR Nutrify and has served in various capacities to promote food security and better diet. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Lovejoy Ramos Bonilla. If you was a calculator, it will always be correct. Do not strive for self-glorification as you progress in your career as nutritionist dietitian. Instead of pushing your own agenda, act in the best public interest. Be cautious about
Nasa labas.
Mess with me, boy. You are the cause of all my stress. You've been ignoring all my texts.